I'm Satyadeep, studying in third year of BTech. I have recently purchased the PiSquare Academy course for control systems and power electronics both. The concepts explained by Sekhar sir are in a very intuitive way and in a very efficient and easy way. It actually helps building concepts which are useful in electrical engineering domain, and Sekhar sir has been guiding us, and he is such a passionate teacher, and he always understands students. He actually tells exactly what we are gonna do next, and it's very surprising, but yeah, he is very experienced and very nice teacher.